Life is about making memories, going on adventures, enjoying family and friends. We stopped traveling because of my lupus, but ever since Greg found the Travelite Transport Chair, I can now connect to the world around me. Walking short distances doesn't bother me, but long distances can be a challenge. Greg and I hesitated to make any travel plans that didn't involve a parking spot very close to our destination.
Lauren was nervous for this trip, but I did my research, and it paid off. And I found the best transport chair. During my research, I realized that we really didn't need a wheelchair, but the flexibility of a transport chair. A transport chair provides Lauren, and really our entire family, with the opportunity to travel anywhere we like.
Whether we're taking off on a family adventure or using the Travelite to go to the doctor, do a little shopping, or even for date night, it gives our family the flexibility we need when I'm not having the best day.
I made sure the tires and safety locks were durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. I like how the armrests are padded and they flip up so we can fit it under any table or Lauren's desk at home.
The seat is very comfortable, and the footrests can be adjusted for the perfect height.
Can you believe it only weighs 20 pounds? And it folds quick, easy, and compact.
Our opportunity to travel as a family has opened up immensely. The adventures we can plan now that we have the Travelite are endless.
Okay, you guys ready to roll?
I am, and I've never been more excited.